Your pores are not dirty, they're just trapped. Every time you scrub harder, you're actually sealing the dirt in deeper. Wait, what? Yes, that pore strip you ripped off last night, it only removed what was already loose. The rest is still sitting there, waiting. Here's what nobody tells you. A blackhead isn't dirt, it's oxidized sebum, oil that got trapped, met air and turned dark. Scrubbing doesn't dissolve it, it just irritates the skin around it, which makes your pores look even bigger. The real fix isn't force, it's softening. This is where Korean skincare philosophy changes everything. Instead of attacking the pore, you melt your way in. Oil dissolves oil, steam softens buildup, gentle acids loosen what's stuck, so it lifts out on its own, almost effortlessly. You're not fighting your skin anymore. You're finally working with it. Step-by-step routine. Step 1. Oil cleanse warm, a few drops of cleansing oil between your palms until it turns almost silky. Massage it into dry skin in slow circles, feel it melting sunscreen, sebum, pollution, all of it, gently lifting away. This is the step people skip. And it's the one that makes everything after actually work. Step 2. Foam cleanse. Follow with a low pH foaming cleanser. Watch it turn into a soft, milky lather in your hands. This step clears what the oil left behind, without stripping your moisture barrier. Rinse with lukewarm water, skin already feels lighter. Step 3. Steam and soften. Press a warm, damp towel over your nose and cheeks for 60 seconds. Feel the warmth sinking in, pores relaxing, softening, opening just enough. Step 4. Gentle BHA exfoliation. Apply a salicylic acid toner or essence with a cotton pad focusing on the nose and chin. This is the quiet hero. It slips inside the pore lining itself, dissolving the buildup from within. No scrubbing, no pain, just dissolving. Step 5. Clay mask moment. Apply a thin layer of kaolin or multani mitti clay mask. Feel it turning from cool and wet to tight and dry, drawing out what's left. This is the satisfying part, when you rinse it off and watch the water turn slightly gray. Step 6. Extraction. If needed, if anything is still visible, use gentle pressure with a cotton-wrapped extractor. Never nails, never force. That's it. That satisfying relief is your skin finally letting go of what it's been holding on to for weeks. Step 7. Soothing seal pat in a centella or niacin-ceasing serum to calm any redness. Follow with a ceramide moisturizer, sealing everything in. Your skin should feel calm, not stripped, smooth, not tight. Pro tips 1. Never do a deep extraction session more than once a week. Your skin needs time to rebuild its barrier. 2. Always cleanse before applying clay, never after. Clay pulls out what's loosened, not what's still sealed under makeup or sunscreen. 3. In humid cities like Karachi, Lahore, or Mumbai, double cleanse every single night. Humidity means more oil, more buildup, more blackheads by morning. FAQ: is this purging? A little initial texture change in the first week is normal as buildup clears. If it lasts longer than 2 weeks, that's irritation, not purging. Dial back frequency. Does this take too long? The full routine takes 12 minutes. Less time than scrolling through 5 blackhead videos looking for one that actually works. Is this safe for sensitive skin? Yes, as long as you introduce the BHA slowly, twice a week at first, and always follow with moisturizer, realistic. By week 2, your pores will look less congested. By week 4, that dullness around your nose starts to fade. By week 8, you'll catch yourself checking the mirror less anxiously, and more out of habit. No overnight miracle, just consistency, finally paying off. Thank you for watching.